Commissioners, Irwin Jackson, 1341 Jackson Bluff. A few months ago, I got contacted by a utility company, a consulting group out of Atlanta. They called me up. They said, Mr. Jackson, your utility provider is stealing from you. Now, I didn't think that was true, not the city of Tallahassee. And there are a lot of good people that work for the city of Tallahassee. And I said, okay, well, am I going to have to pay you some money for you to follow up on this? No, we'll do it for free. I said, but we want 50% of all the money that we force the city to give back to you. I said, okay, I'm going to fill out the paperwork. The second document you've got is from Paladin Alliance. They filled an application regarding an RV park. This is happening to a lot of small businesses in town. Lo and behold, they identified 3 meters, and page 3 shows the city application for a refund, and they only give the refund back for the last 3 years, which would be 10, 11, and 12, January 10th through January 13th. I found out, and it was confusing, they wouldn't tell you what was going on until after I agreed to give them 50% of whatever the refund was. And lo and behold, what's happening is there's a number of small businesses who buy utilities from the city that are exempt from paying sales taxes. All right, if you have an apartment complex, the swimming pool light's exempt. The electricity for security lights is exempt. Other sort of exemptions by the state law. 4 shows some of those exemptions. The city did a great job. Once they were contacted, they went through and identified all these, and this is the document 5. Their analysis came up that the city of Tallahassee has been overcharging me. This is the city of Tallahassee's analysis of $5,361.02 just over the last 3 years. I've owned the RV park for 12 years. They have been violating the statutes. The statutes of the state give me an exemption, not only me personally, but I'm certain hundreds, if not thousands, of small businesses that have this exemption, but it's being ignored by the city. If, in fact, $5,000, if you go through here, I've included the bill regarding Paladin Alliance. Out of that $5,800 or whatever, 50% was $2,680. I had to pay an outside utility consulting firm to tell me that my city is stealing money from me. If you charge me taxes that's not due, and then you threaten to turn off my utilities if I don't pay it, that feels like stealing. You know, someone else may have a different opinion.
Time's expired.
The final thing, here is a copy of the utility bill, and one last second.
Speaker is Curtis Baines.
Here's a utility bill showing the 5,000.
Baines, will you please come up?
$361
Will you please sit down, sir?
Taken.
Will you please sit down, sir?
Okay.
Thank you, Mr.
And
Baines.
here's the
Mr.
manual
Baines.
that the city employees had. So I hope that you'll look into this. This is a serious problem for a lot of small businesses in this community. I'm not sure who represents them, but we would certainly look for some
Mr. Baines,
help.
he's taking your time.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.